Looking for bathroom accessories that combine style, durability, and easy installation? The Kingsley Collection offers a sleek, chrome-finished design that fits seamlessly with any decor, from modern to traditional. Imagine a mirror-like shine that instantly elevates your space without overwhelming it. I've been using the Kingsley 18 bathroom towel bar and matching toilet paper holder for over 6 months now, and they've held up beautifully. The stainless steel construction promises long-lasting durability, and the bright brass finish stays shiny and unblemished, even with daily use. What's more, the design strikes the perfect balance, neither too large nor too small, making it a natural fit for both classic and contemporary bathroom styles. One feature I especially appreciate is the flexibility of placement. Whether you want to install the towel bar in the bath or kitchen, it works just as well. For a little extra convenience, consider the 24 double towel rack, which fits perfectly on a wall or even the back of a bathroom door. It's a small upgrade that makes drying towels faster and your space more organized. The matching toilet paper holder with a pivoting bar is another smart addition. Swapping out rolls is quick and hassle-free, no fumbling or awkward maneuvers. This attention to detail shows how the Kingsley Collection is designed with real-life use in mind, making everyday routines smoother. If you're ready to enhance your bathroom with accessories that blend timeless style and practical features, the Kingsley Collection is worth a look. Its coordinating pieces help you create a cohesive, polished look without the fuss. Plus, installation is straightforward, so you can enjoy your upgraded space sooner. Try the Kingsley Collection when you're ready to bring lasting quality and effortless style to your home. Whether it's the towel bars or toilet paper holders, these accessories deliver on both form and function, making your daily routine a little easier and your space undeniably sharper.